this is an extra video this week to show you my Hobonichi haul. So was it last week? No. Yes, last week. I had asked if anyone here wanted to see what I got from Hobonichi and like do a little unboxing, and I got a few yeses. So here we are. I'm here for you guys. So this was very quietly placed on my doorstep last night. FedEx is like mail ninja. They literally came, dropped it off, gone, and no one was the wiser. So thankfully it was safe this morning. But yeah, this is so exciting. This is like very well taped. There we go. All right. I've seen many hauls at this point in time because I've been like very anxiously awaiting the arrival of this. So everybody reads this. I don't think I need to read that, but there's plenty of videos where they read the box. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, this is so cute how they packed everything in here. So what did I get? I got 3 weeks, A5 cousin, and the folder. So let's take some of this stuff out. I'm so excited. Okay, let's do the freebies first. So we got the pen. Everybody has seen the pen. Okay, somebody walked in while I was trying to do this. So the pen is a Uni Jetstream, which I really like as a pen. Oh, stuck. It's like, for me, it looks like mint choco because it's like a green, and then this is like a milk chocolate brown. I really do like it. Let's test it out here. In the back. So this is the black. Oh, it's so smooth. I love it. And that's blue. And that's red. I really love like a rollerball multi-ink pen. I'm not a fan of like the ballpoint ones, but this I will take. So I got 4. Hot dog. I will be putting those in my work area. And then this is the blind bag, and I don't really have a preference for what I am getting. So let's see. So I got the pretzel, so cute, snack o'clock. And I've been watching like people unbox theirs, and they're like, oh, this is so small and cute. And I agree, and I think it would be a perfect like pen holder if you can sort of cut some cardboard to brace it open and then put some like cardstock at the bottom. This will be a really cute like pen cup. So I think that's what I'm gonna do with this. And then the collection that most like called to me was the little gifts one, and this is by the artist Yumi Kitagishi, sorry. Yumi Kitagishi. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Last year I got the Disney ones, and I used them a lot. Like, I love keeping stickers in here, especially like sometimes you get special stickers and you like lose track of them, so this is a good place to keep like your special stickers that you've been saving to put in your Hobonichi so that you don't forget. But this is so cute, and I was instantly drawn to this online, but this is like all my boxes are marked here. So this is a little folder, and let's look at the cover. Oh, how cute. The pocket is the same pattern as the front. Oh man. I think this is like my favorite cover that I own so far. How cute! Look at her. That's her little card. I'm going to have to look for these books. She illustrated for Kitty Cat Nursery, Strolling Car, and Little Stories of 366 Days. How cute! And then these got little tiny pockets down here. I'm gonna put it right there. And we have our little life book pamphlet, which I think comes with all of them. The inside is almost like a twill, like a canvas. It's way rougher than, for example, like these ones are like a satin, but this is like a, almost like a duck cloth, if that makes sense. And the ribbons look like this. They're color coordinated, and I really love that the little pocket has the same pattern. So cute. I love this cover so much. The little flowers. There's just so much to look at. Like, I will never get bored of this cover. So cute. Oh my god, the koala with the bow. Okay. Let's move on, otherwise this is gonna take a million years. And here we go. Here are the weeks. So I got 3 weeks. I already said this in my previous video. One, I haven't decided which is which. One is going to be a replacement for my current weeks. So this is my current weeks. I got the mega, but I really don't need this many pages as I thought I would. So I got just regular weeks this time. And let's just open them up. I haven't decided which is which, so I'm just gonna like spend time with them and think about which one is which. Oh, this is so pretty. And these are like embroidered. There's like a little pansy back there. So pretty. Oh my goodness, I have another kitty friend. This is the same artist, Yumi Kiragishi. Love it. Zero buyer's remorse. Then I got this one, which was the gingham. I thought this would be like cloth, but it's not. It's like paper. And it's the same basically. Everyone's seen the weeks. I got this one because I have a wallet. And I saw somebody else use like a pink version of this wallet as the weeks holder. I don't think you can fit it in here, but I think you can slide it in, which is totally fine with me. Yeah, I don't think you can like, yeah, it won't fit in there, but it will sort of fit this way, like this. So it's nice and snug in there. So I might do that. I haven't decided yet, or I might just recycle this one. And then we have, oops, I'm gonna use these as, what do you call them? Writing boards later. They each come with 2. And they also have the little pamphlet, which I absolutely adore. One is gonna go in my journal, and one I think I'm gonna laminate. Just cut them down and make little bookmarks out of them. And then finally I got this one. Now, I'm not usually like a yellow fan, but it says love it. It's so cute. I love pandas. And this is also like hardcover. It does not feel like fabric. And it's slightly shiny. I don't know if you could see that because the sun is just beaming right now, but I adore it. It's so cute. And it's got a little card. And this one is by Jin Kitamura. So very cool. I was thinking this one as my health one. And this one as like a content planner, and this one to replace my current personal. And then finally we have the avec. And so this one is the one where the paper was replaced. Also comes with a little pamphlet. And let's try it. Usually in the back of these I do pen tests. So it's like way smoother. And that could be because yeah, this one has a lot more tooth. This one is way smoother. I like it. Okay, so let's put it in our cover. So exciting. I cannot wait to get started. Just immense pure joy right now. Little kid joy happening right now. I love it. Oh my goodness. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Okay. So yeah, guys, that was my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry for geeking out. I hope you got what you wanted if you ordered Hobonichi. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.